this shit exclusive.
Yeah, it's 10. Hey, T-E-W-Y, that's my name, Teddy. Why I gotta introduce myself every time I start a scene? Niggas wanna be like me, then act cool. Gemini niggas like Will, I'm a younger version of Smith. I'm L-I-V-E, read that shit backwards. She said don't touch me, no sex for the night. I'm gone. She don't cook and clean a curry. Maybe them shoe don't eat no curry. Circus times like Denzel Curry. Can't be stressed by pictures, not me. If we talk, you catch feelings, yes I block you. If we talk, you catch feelings, I post bait too. My bitch light skin, she tall and she cute too. You got a job, please don't blow, please don't suck too. Hey, this bitch said my dick no longer feeling what's popping. I got no exes, this bitch is hell out to suck me. She got a nice body, but her face is so ugly. I kill him with the vibe, then I go to jail. I won't talk about it till I get my lawyer. Case drop like a nigga dropping out of school. You know where your hoe at, nigga, come get it from me. I'm 18, I turn 18, but I look 40. I be talking hard, you can be essential. I don't talk to anyone, I'm antisocial. How come I did not die, am I immortal? I'm finna see how the devil gon' tryna take my place. Thugging with my beatbox, thugging with my Nikes. Heard he shot, Draco make him beatbox. I shoot him in the head, that's how I don't miss no more. Pink hoodie and them forces, just hit the beatbox. Champion Nike Louis V, we on. I love my enemies so much cause they got time for me. My haters are the first ones to be my fans at least. Don't wish me a happy birthday, I'm having a bad day.